Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to build your Flappy Bird game in Python using Pygame, step by step, in under 10 minutes. To follow along, ensure you've got Python installed, and don't worry about the assets. You can download them from my GitHub. The link is in the description below. Save these assets in a folder named sprites in the same directory as your project. Now, let's dive in. First, ensure you have Pygame installed. To do this, open your terminal and type pip install pygame. Once that's done, download the assets from the GitHub link in the description. Save them in a folder called sprites, like this. Now, let's jump into coding. Alright, let's start with the basics. First, we'll import Pygame and some essential libraries, sys, os, and random. Then, we initialize Pygame and set up our screen dimensions, 288 by 512 pixels. Here's the whole setup code. We also load our assets from the sprites folder using os path. For example, here's how we load the background image. Next, let's handle the bird animation. The bird uses 3 frames for a flapping effect. Here's how we load them into a list. Now, we define game variables: gravity, bird movement, pipes, and scoring. Notice how we keep track of the bird's position using bird_rect. The bird moves up when you press the spacebar and falls due to gravity. This is controlled by updating bird_movement in each frame. To animate the bird, we cycle through 3 frames every frame, creating a smooth flapping effect. Here's the code for that. Pipes are the main obstacle in Flappy Bird. We create them using this function. It generates a pair of pipes with a random vertical position and ensures a consistent gap for the bird to fly through. To move the pipes, we shift them to the left by reducing their X position over time. Once off screen, we remove them to keep the game efficient. Here's how it looks. For collisions, we check if the bird's rectangle overlaps with any pipe rectangle or hits the screen boundaries. If so, the game ends. Here's the collision code. To track the player's score, we check when the bird passes a pipe. Each pipe has a scored flag that prevents double counting. Once scored, the flag is marked true. Here's the scoring logic. The score is displayed using digit images from our assets folder. Here's the code for displaying the score. And that's it. Our Flappy Bird game is ready. You can see the birds flying, pipes moving, collisions working, and scores updating in real time. You can customize the game by adding new birds, changing pipe colors, or tweaking the physics to make it more challenging. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more quick coding tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.